We have Revenuehunt, and this one brings something no other app on this list offers. I am talking about video quizzes. Video quizzes are more engaging, more interactive, and a more fun way to drive conversions. And just like other quiz builders, it offers all the integrations, analytics, and other features. It also offers pre-made templates, which you can use for yourself. Simply preview the template and see which one you like. And then you can choose that template and customize it as per your need. The drag-and-drop editor is very easy to use, and you can simply use my ChatGPT prompt to generate the content. And just like other quiz builders, it offers all the integrations, analytics, and other features. If your goal is maximum engagement and personalization, Revenuehunt's video quizzes set it apart from every other tool on this list. Plus, their one-on-one support helps you optimize your quiz for the best results. It is perfect for brands that want a highly engaging, conversion-focused experience that feels interactive and personal. This is one of the most popular quiz builder app on Shopify App Store. Right now, it has over 300 reviews, with an average rating of 4.9, and most of the customers are talking about its amazing customer support. The free plan of Revenuehunt lets you get up to 100 responses per month. It also offers the video quiz feature, along with custom designs and conditional logic. The basic plan costs $39 and lets you get up to 500 quiz responses. The paid plans offers you many advanced options with proper support in Zoom calls. And if you go ahead with the Pro plan, you'll even get a dedicated account manager, which will help you manage your quiz campaigns. You can access this app using the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.